11 solar this is the natural water. So here 1% told that this was planned basically. Without planning basically, nobody basically do this. So 1% is the how and basically who planned basically. If one person basically is getting fired from any industry basically, and that industry basically is not giving, entire group basically has become one basically, and all are basically major people who had done this basically, they are basically working from home basically nowadays basically. Even basically because in this video I have told that also basically each software companies basically are controlled by governments basically. And nowadays governments are also working from home only basically. So you can just imagine basically how government is so fast basically, how they react basically very fast and takes the decision very fast. That means one person told that basically some government groups are watching this video also. They are in advance basically. They are basically in advance. So we are not going to personal basically. So here one person told that Sunil basically what was the last tax amount basically you paid basically long before. So Sunil Arnaya told that was I think in one 3i Infotech company, that was the tax amount basically. And one Capgemini company basically, that was the second last tax amount basically which I paid basically. After that basically I have not paid the tax. So that means basically one person told that means in this plan basically government is 100% involved basically. In this plan basically government is 100% involved. Because whatever projects basically you get in the world basically, in India basically, world means in India basically, without government approval basically, that is a government's people basically, they are basically placed by the MLAs, corporates basically. Without them approval basically, nobody basically are doing working basically in the projects basically. So here next video.